everyone, myself Yogi. I am the SQL trainer in QSpiders Punjagutta branch. Along with me, one of your friend is there. Her name is Avantika. Recently, she got the job in one company. Now, first, introduce herself here. Introduce me.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I'm Avantika. I'm from Solapur, Maharashtra. I'm from non-IT background. I completed my degree in B.SC in 2022. After graduation, I came to the QSpiders. My college referred me. So after joining QSpiders, I learned more things: manual testing, SQL, automation, and core Java. I learned totally technical. And after that, I placed in a company. I got job as a software testing engineer. It's a very good company, and grooming sessions, mock interviews, presentation are helped me a lot for getting the job.
Okay, very good. So you attended the interview, correct, now?
Yes.
How was the interview experience, no?
It's totally friendly because I prepared in institute only. Here is the main interview. There is I don't feel like that interview is there.
Okay.
Mock interviews helped me a lot to crack the interview.
Very good. Mock interviews helped you a lot. Then you attended the grooming sessions, correct? How the grooming sessions helped you?
Grooming session in that we practice, we explaining to another. It helped me like presentation here, helped me a lot to explain and beware from hesitation. It's totally good experience.
Very good. So finally you got the job in business testing.
Testing.
Correct? Very good. So here you guys learned, you completed your course, correct? No?
Yes.
How was the experience, no, with QSpiders? How was your journey?
It's a totally very nice, and teachers are also friendly. We don't feel like any afraid from other. It's very good teaching. It's very good teaching to me,
Very
and
good.
good understanding also.
Very good. So finally, if someone will ask, okay, now, so what do you say about QSpiders?
I will say go to this QSpider and learn properly. You will get job. Just give mock and presentations, grooming. It will help a lot.
Very good.